So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find PC password Windows 10. So you just have to click the search button and just click control panel. Now, once you are in here, just go to user accounts and go to credential manager. Now, this is where you have to pick. So this is the web credentials and this is your window credentials. Now, you just have to click this restore credentials to find your password in Windows 10, or you could also add a Windows credential to restore your password in Windows 10. It depends on you on what you have to choose with them. And also, if you want to change your password, you just have to go to user accounts in here. And as you can see in here, this is where you manage your account in Windows 10. And just click any of your account in Windows 10 and you just have to click that. And as you can see in here, you could change the password of your account in your Windows 10. So if you have lost your Windows 10 password, you just have to click here. You have the backup credentials and you could also restore credentials. And that's it.